Hello, today we will tell about cartography on Google Maps. Google Maps it is the most popular cartography platform in the world because Android is a very popular operation system for the mobile devices. And for this reason, I think for the world cartography, we needed to understand how to edit Google Maps. In the past, edit Google Maps was very easy, but now you need to work with Google Maps content platform partners. This platform helps to edit Google Maps, but for this, you need to a little bit understand how to work with geodata. In this video, I step by step tell about the main things how we can to add different objects on Google Maps. Okay, let's begin. First step in our work will be registration on Google Maps Content Partners platform. You need to go to this web address, click Get Started, and after that you need to create account. I will not be tell with details about registration of a new account, but I can tell that now in this period accounts in this platform can open only government organization, business companies, some non-government organization, and another objects which can to improve cartography. When you open this account, you can use this panel for uploading of your geodata. How it looks like, firstly, for the uploading file, you need to click here, and here you will text information about your uploading. There you can to choose kind of objects, for example, buildings, geocodes, house development, and another. There is a name. There is very detailed information for the Google specialist. It's very needed line because it very depends how detailed you tell about your upload, about object. If you tell it very detailed, it help Google specialist very exact to upload it on the map. In this part of website, you can look all your uploads. There will be status. In use status, it means that now this uploading on Google Map, update date, modified date, and this is type of data, for example, roads, trials, points of interest, and another kinds. It's a basic information which you need to know before starting to work. In this video, I will tell you, I will send information about main conditionals for the uploading different kind of data. For example, in this link, you will find information about, information which you need to upload inside your geodata for the correct uploading. For example, bicycle facilities, the special tables, which are all fields which you need, and all will be very detailed in this link. It's first thing, and I want to tell you that if you have some questions, and questions I think in the beginning will be a lot, you can go to this link and ask Google support about it. They answered very soon. Okay, and last point which I want to tell that Google, and it's a pity, upload information is not exact. For example, I can create an object in geodata, upload it to the Google, very detailed describe all, but Google upload it in another way. And for this reason, I want to tell you that you not only upload data, that you observe how will be look like your publishing data in the Google Map, because it's a pity Google make a lot of mistakes due to uploading, and you need to check it after it will be published. Okay, our first uploading. Now I will tell about uploading buildings to the Google Map. How it will be look like step by step. Firstly, you need to go to Google My Maps. This link will be in description of video. Secondly, you need to click on create new map. And after that, you look a map where you can create all objects. For example, I create some building. I can advise you to switch on satellite version because it will be more exact. And for example, I want to set up this building to the Google Map. How it will be look like step by step. Firstly, you need to click here. After that, you need to draw perimeter of this building. And we created object. Now you can text name of this building, but don't worry, this name will not be on public map. You just can to name this object how you want. For example, building 1. It will look like this. And you can look, there is a layer and there is a building. You can create a maximum 10 layers and 2,000 objects in all layer. Okay, we created. How we work in next step? In next step, we click here, export data, and choose KML, KMZ format. After that, we click export and KML instead of KMZ, and click download. After that we download this building. Look at here, because name of this export, it's name of a layer. If you want to make it more understandable, please firstly change name here, layer 1, for example. After that, we do same and make this. Okay, now we have our first file with geodata. What we will do next? Secondly, we go to this Maps Partners panel, click here, and there is a form for the uploading of our geodata. Here we need to text name. Name will not be in public Google Maps. For this reason, you can just name it how you want. For example, building 1. After that, you need to choose the data. If you upload buildings, you need to choose type data buildings. And here you just can to describe some information for the Google Maps specialist. If you just upload buildings, I can advise you just just take this. You can find this building on satellite version of the map. It will be enough that Google specialist just check satellite version, and after that understand that this building exists. After that you click next, and here you can find your file. And after that you click submit. I will not do it because now this building exists on the map. Second object will be addressing. Firstly, I want to tell that addressing road address system can be two types. It's addressing system which rely on the streets and number of buildings, and of all alternative addressing system. For example, it will be instead of streets can be districts, sub-districts, name of buildings in some countries. It very depends. In this part of video, I will tell more about all kinds of addressing and how we can upload it to the Google. Okay, let's begin. Firstly, before upload, we need to go to the Google My Maps and click to create. After that, we go inside this kind of map, choose satellite version, and after that, we need to draw perimeter of the building. Draw it. And after that, we need to set up needed tags, needed information to about buildings inside this object. For example, now I will upload it and tell you how it can look like. There is a special text. All this kind of text, they are required for the uploading of everything. Pay attention to this. What kinds of this text and what it means? Firstly, street name, it's name of the street. Street name, it's number of the building in this street. After that, going city, state, and zip code of this exact building. For example, I set up this information here, and it means that this building have a number of 45 in the main street. It's like name of street in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia, with this zip code. But it is not all. If we upload information due to addressing system which rely on name of street, we just need to copy a number of building and paste it here. After that, we can save this object. In this kind, we need to upload all information about addressing. For example, I can create another buildings in this way and add information here too. And after that, we will do same movings. For example, addressing. We name this layer that understand. After that, we export it in KML KMZ. Click here, download, and after that, we go to panel. Cancel this. New upload. For example, address. Data type, we need to choose geocodes. And in the description, we can tell you can check this info in government website. After that, will be link that specialist of Google can to check it and understand that it's real addressing. After that, we go next, choose our file and upload it. But how we can add address on Google Map if it's another address system? For example, address system which don't rely on the streets. Okay, we need to do it in this way. Firstly, like in previous step, we need to paint perimeter of the building, like this. What we need to do next step? Next step, I specially copy it, paste, and explain. After that, you need to copy this information. You can notice that this text, this kind of data, it's same like in previous. It's street name, city, state, and zip. But if our addressing don't rely on a street, we need to fill this form in another way. For example, this sign will be look on a map like this. And if I want to set up this sign full, I need to fill it in this way. I need to text this name here in street name, and copy it and paste here. After that, I can save it. Instead of usual number of building in map will be this sign. For example, instead of this text, you can text, for example, in different countries exist different address systems. For example, in Malta it looks like this. Instead of number of buildings, they have names of buildings, and here I can text name of building, name of building, name of building, and save it. And this sign will be on Google Maps too. It's only special approach if you set up and work with addressing which don't rely on street system. Okay, let's begin another object. Another object it will be roads. I will tell you in this part of video about different kinds of roads, closed roads, I mean private roads, usual roads, roads with a lot of lines, and how to change direction of a road and add opportunity to make a turn. Okay, firstly we need to go to Google My Maps, click to create map. After that we go there. And for example, we wanted to add some road. For this, we need to click here and just draw there road. If you want that this road or this street have a name, you can text name here. For example, Main Street. And when Google approved, this name of street will be on Google Map. Streets. What we will do next? Firstly, we paint the road. After that, we, like in previous steps, download data and go there. New upload. Here we type name. Streets 1. And here you need to choose type, kind of data. It will be roads. Here you can describe all information about this street. If it existing street, you can just tell that check a satellite version. If you decide to set up name of the street, please send here a link to some maybe government resources or maybe another cartographic platform. I just type here one that you understand. After that, next, and choose this file and upload it. It's if we tell about usual streets, but for example, if we tell about very big streets which have a lot of lines, how we work in this way? Look at here. First I will delete this, and for example we want to add this big street which have a lot of lines. Firstly you need to draw this one line in one side. After that you need to draw here a line to another side. You can to add a name for this street here too. After that I change the name and like in the previous steps, download it. Okay, now we will download it. Go there in a panel. big street, its name. After here we choose same kind of data, its roads, and here we can, like in the previous steps, with details to tell about why Google need to set up these streets. After that, we go here and choose our file. Okay, now I will tell more detailed about how to add private road on Google Map. Road can be private. It can be a road on a hospital territory, or maybe private road on a private village. And this kind of roads we can add in Google Maps too. How it will look like on Google Map. For example, if we build way from here through private road, it will look like this. For example, there is my road, and when a car going through a private road, it will be marked in Google Map like this, like restricted usage road. That potential this road can be restricted, or maybe have some barrier or gate. Okay, how can we add this road? Firstly, we need to go to Google My Map, create new map. After that, for example, we draw road. For example, this road. We just add it. You can add name for this street too if you want that it will be in Google Map. But we just click save. After that, we just, for example, private road. After that, we export this data like in previous steps, and go to our panel for the uploading. This name, private road, private, and here you need to choose special kind of closure roads. Google suggests you to add some additional information to this form, but you can not to do it. It is no problem. If you don't send it, it doesn't matter. Here you can, with detail, to describe why this road is private. Maybe it's you can tell that this road on territory of kindergarten, school, hospital, private village, and etc. I just type 1. After that, you go next, and you choose your file and send it to uploading. Okay, our next object will be changing of direction to the road. You know that sometimes government of city can to change it, and Google can and Google have opportunity to add another direction too. For example, it can be look like this. Firstly, we will change name of the layer. Direction. After that, I delete this. And for example, imagine that this road can only direction from the up until down. Firstly, I need to draw this road from direction which we want to set up. For example, if it going from the up to down, I just need to begin a road here and complete it here. What another? Another, we just need to export this file, like in previous steps. After that, I just go here, direction. Here I choose kind of data rows, but just usual rows. And here in the description, I need very detailed to tell to support of Google Maps that I want to change road direction. For example, how usually I do, I text this road has direction only from north to south, and something like this. You can add some screenshots, pictures, links to the another cartography system that prove it. After that, you click next, choose your file and upload it. Okay, our another object will be changing of opportunity to turn. If tell about this object, we need to create firstly two layouts. It's how firstly it's delete turn, for example, and another it's another way to turn. For example, if we tell about delete to turn, imagine that from this road was forbidden to turn to this road. I need to draw that from here to here. This layer show Google what opportunity to turn we want to delete. But for example, after changing of rules of car police, we can to turn on this road only in this way. We need to go from here until here. After this, make a turn, and only after this we can opportunity to turn here. And now we have drawn opportunity to the turn with another rows, and I show what kind of turn I want to delete. How we do in next step? We go into panel. Firstly, we download this, delete this turn, delete turn name, data is road, and here I very detailed tell that delete opportunity to turn from street 1, it's instead of a name, to street 2 in this way. I tell Google support that they need to delete opportunity to turn in this way, from here to here. After that I go here, choose this file and upload it. Secondly, you download this layer. In this layer you, how I told before, you show opportunity to turn in another way. And how you work, how uploading looks like. Here we name opportunity to turn, and same kind of data. And here you very detailed tell that instead of previous upload, you add another way to turn in street number 2. This is another way to turn from street 1 to street 2. After that you, like usual, go here and choose needed file. Last object which I can about will be parkings. Parkings it's a very needed thing for the city because especially for Ulaanbaatar because there is a lot of cars and especially in the center it's very complicated to find parking place. Okay, now I will tell you how to add a parking. Firstly, we go to Google My Map, create a new map. After that, I advise you create special layer for this. And after that, we begin to create parkings. For example, I want to add this parking to Google Map. I choose this instrument, the row parking. It's like, for example, that you just understand how it works. Create it. Here. This parking will be like parking place. What do we need to do next? Firstly, we need to copy special information here in the description. What information I advise you to add? Firstly, it's category. This category is private parking. Another, it's name of this parking in English. It's private parking. And so you can add a name of this parking on local languages. For example, here in Mongolian, I texted that it's private parking. After that, you need to add a name here in the name of this object. After that, you can save it. This object we have added, but it is not all. After that, we need to add not only this perimeter of the parking, we need an object like point of interest of this parking. We need to click here, add marker, click here. And after that, we need to fill this form, how we fill this previous perimeter. For example, I just copy from here, copy here, and copy here. After that, I save it. I want to advise you when you add parkings, separate it two kinds. It's private parkings, which have a barrier or maybe gate, and open parkings. Open parkings, it's just free parking where people just can to the park their car. It helps a person in the beginning to understand how can be available this parking. About barrier, maybe payment for the parking, it can be understandable in the end when person can find it. And now I show you why we need to add this point. I mean this. For example, it is the center of Ulaanbaatar, and I text here in the search parking. And all parking which have this point, they show when you're looking for this. It's a very needed function because it helps person to find parking due to search line in the Google Maps application. I advise you to add perimeter and add point. Okay, we created those objects. After that, we export information and go to the panel for the uploading. Here we just type parkings, and kind of data we choose other, because Google Maps content partners panel don't have a special kind of data for the parkings. We need to choose other. Here you just text parkings of UB City. After that, you click next, and here you just choose your file and upload it. And I want you to advise, firstly, create a point and create perimeter only in one layer. It's first, and second, you should to create all parkings in one layer. For example, if I add this parking, it's like example parking. It will be in this layer too. It helps you to collect all parkings in one place and after that upload it. It helps Google to check all parkings more faster. Okay, mostly it's all about all objects for our uploading, and I want you to make a resume of this video. I told you about how to add main objects to Google Map. In the description of this video you can find information about another kind of objects like green zones, walkways for the people, some administrative districts and another things. If you want to find this information, just go to the link in the description of this video. It's first. Second, I want to tell that in this video I just told you how to add new object. But if you want to delete some object, principles looks like this. You just need to create some, for example, I just going to show you. If I want to delete this building from the map, I just need to show this perimeter. This perimeter. After that, I just export it, upload it like object in the content partner panel, and I just tell in the description to the specialist of Google that we need to delete this object. Difference only in this that if we want to delete some object, we tell Google in the description, please delete it. If we want to add it, we don't tell that we want to delete, we just tell that add this object. It's all. Thank you that you watched this video. If you have some questions, please text in the comments and I ask and I answer about it. Thank you.